CTR or click-through rate can be super confusing. And if we look over at my computer, you can see here, this is my YouTube studio for my latest video, and my impression click-through rate is at 3.8. For here from another video, the impression is a bit low, but the views are higher, so the whole thing with the click-through rate can be a bit confusing. I will try my best today to explain to you guys what click-through rate is, how it works, and how you can make sure that you are growing your channel by improving some of the stuff in order to make people click on your videos, because if they don't click, they don't watch. First of all, what is click-through rate? Click-through rate is basically YouTube are showing your videos to, let's say, 100 people, and only 20 of them are clicking on the video. That is your percentage of click-through rate. As you can clearly see, the impressions of this video is 4,000 views, sort of. 4,000 people were able to see the video, but only 3.9% of the people actually clicked and watched the video. There can be so many different reasons for this, but when someone are seeing your video, maybe they're not interested in that type of topic, and YouTube are simply showing your videos to the wrong sort of audience. So when you're posting a video, the first audience that will see your videos are your core audience, and then YouTube will show your videos to a bigger audience, and then a bigger audience, and then to basically the entire YouTube audience. When you first post your videos, it's really typical to see a high click-through rate at around 15 to 20%, and then it will increasingly drop down. YouTube is basically saying, hey, we are showing your videos to a lot of people, but people doesn't seem to click. You're able to get more views and more impressions on your videos if you're changing your thumbnail and title. How can we fix this? Over here we have Photoshop, we have the thumbnail itself. The idea of this video was to show off 6 productivity apps that will help you on your social media, on YouTube, and everything in between, from Notion, VidIQ, YouTube Studio again, and Canva to edit your thumbnails and stuff like that. But I quickly realized that by having productivity in the title and in the thumbnail, I'm basically telling the viewers twice. So I decided to change this to YouTube apps, because that makes a lot of sense. You see the thumbnail first, YouTube apps, and then you read the title, productivity. Okay, so then you sort of understand the whole thing, and I put in this little need thing with this little arrow, because most people have not heard about this first one here. That is that little curiosity thing with a little arrow. Okay, this app, I'm not familiar with this app. Okay, I'm clicking the video. Now they have clicked through. But now let me quickly show you some simple tips that you can do in Photoshop, Canva, every editing software out there, to make sure that people understand your videos a bit more. First of all, if we now zoom this out, you can still see the YouTube logo, you can see the apps, you can see some of the app icons and need and stuff like that. This is really important. If this text was really small, or if I zoom out even more, as you can see, I can still see the YouTube logo, so I can still understand what this video is about. If we go over to this first version here, and I remove the background for the text, then I zoom out, it gets a bit more unclear productivity. The window over here is a bit bright and stuff. I put this on. Boom, you can see it so much clearer. Even though this font looks a bit cute or cool or whatever, it doesn't look great from afar away. And when I put this background down, it doesn't really help in itself. So we need to have a font that is really thick, that is bulky, that works from far away, and you need to have some sort of background or some sort of contrast to make sure that your thumbnails are working from far away, or from a bright screen or a dark mobile screen, or whatever it is, to make sure that it's really easy for the viewer to understand when they're seeing the thumbnail on their homepage or on their phone or whatever. Okay, this video is about this, the title confirms this, then they click. I explain this bit more in this video, so watch this one up next where I talk about the algorithm. Let me know in the comment section what your click-through rate is for engagement, and remember to subscribe and leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know if you want a Photoshop tutorial. Esbjørn, peace out, goodbye, bye bye, goodbye.